Creative homeschooling. In the previous classes, we have completed the calculations on the units rod. Now, let's move on to the tens rod. On the units rod, each of the 4 beads on the lower of a rod has the value of 1. While bead on the upper section of the rod has the value of 5. In the same way, on the tens rod, each of the 4 beads on the lower of a rod has the value of 10. While the bead on the upper section of a rod has the value of 50. Each of the 10 beads below the beam obtain its value when it is moved up towards the beam and loses its value when it is moved back down to its former position. On the other hand, the 50 bead above the beam obtain its value when it is moved down to the beam and loses its value when it is moved back up. Now, let's see some examples. Set the value to 10. Set the value to 30. Now, you might be wondering how to set the value to 50. As there are only 4 beads here below the beam. It's very easy. This is why we have the upper beads. First, reset the abacus to 0 position. Then move this upper bead down. That's 50. Very simple, isn't it? Nice! But how about higher values like 60, 70, 80 and 90? Also very simple. Let's set 70. You know how to set 50, right? Correct! Let's move this upper bead down. Now we have 50. And setting the higher values is quite easy. This is 60. And this is 70. I recommend to use the butterfly movement for such operations. Now it's your turn. You have 10 seconds to solve this challenge. Set the value to 90. Good job! Let's see that again. Set the value to 40. Great! Let's see that again. Set the value to 20. You have 10 seconds to solve this challenge. Wow, super! Let's see that again. Set the value to 60. Good! Let's see that again.
Please try to repeat the exercises as many times as possible in order to improve your abacus operating speed. I have made a free printable for you to practice on your own. You can find the link in the description box below, and from there you can download the free printable with all exercises and solutions from this class for free. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.